kalibutan nga Mayor Jose Pepe Orlino. I would like also to thank the presence this afternoon of my fellow city officials. We have here Honorable Carding Condes, Honorable June Mira, Honorable Lito Manso, and the most handsome gentleman from Barangay San Jose, my fellow city councilor, Honorable Ninin Bosmion. Ladies and gentlemen, without the support and the guidance of our Fiesta Director General present this afternoon, this event will never be possible also. I'm so thankful to have her for the third time under the administration of Mayor Pepe. We have our Fiesta Director General, Doc Milagros G. Soyo. Ma'am, thank you very much. No? Sir Tito, mayong hapon po diyan, sir. Tanhayanons, this event will never be also possible without the strong support. A very good ally to this administration. We have here in front of us Attorney John Maxel Orlina. Attorney, thank you very much. This event kinahanglan yun na born room nga naagi air condition nga makapiga pag maayo ang atong mga athletes. So wala tay lain yun nga makuha nga venue despite nga naapay gitrabaho niya nga kanal. I'm so stressed last night kay tungod nga set up niya ning stage, wala gyud namo ma-install bitaw sa desired nga location. But anyway, magpadayon ang atoang event today. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like also to take this opportunity to thank Tanhayanons abroad na ating mga nakita dirino present this afternoon, and also to our city administrator, Attorney John Claudiao, sa ato ang mga department heads. Akong nakita diri murag si Ma'am Vanessa Regalado from our city information office, and sa ato ang DRRMO personnel present, sa ato ang medics, sa ato ang SITOM. Usap, I would like to thank the organizer of this event, headed by Coach Rocky Dial, no? Atong tagaan og masibang pakpak, Coach Rocky. Kauban sa ato ang born room staff. I'm also very thankful sa ako ang staff sa SP, headed by my private secretary Camille.